What's up, Bill?
Good to see you.
Great to see
How you been?
Very good. How are you?
I'm well, thanks.
Thanks for coming out today.
My pleasure.
And I'm excited for everyone to kind of hear your story. So, for those who don't know Bill, can you tell us a little bit about you and how you built kind of something that I think is really important in Lake Nona?
It is. I came out to Lake Nona probably about 15 years ago with my business partner, Joe Davi, and we wanted to open a restaurant out here, something that the community needed. We wanted to be community based, and fortunately, the community supported us. You were our neighbor for years.
Yes. I think you guys opened about 2 months or so prior to our office opening. And when I first met you, just the nicest, humblest guy. And you were like, hey, if you ever need a place to interview, like just come on into our restaurant. And that was so welcoming, and I'll never forget that. And that's where we interviewed our first staff. And since then, it's just been an amazing ride for both of us.
It has. We're both very blessed and very successful.
Yeah. And so Nona Blue, obviously, one of the hallmark restaurants in Lake Nona, definitely kept me fed at lunchtime for 9 years while we were above your restaurant in Lake Nona. Plug in for the Love Me Tenders, my favorite
Nice.
lunchtime meal. You've been a patient of mine and a friend of mine for a long time, and we've been following you for a long time. And so recently, we did cataract surgery on you. And tell people how you kind of felt your vision kind of changed over the last handful of years as your
Right. Well, this is, I've always felt like I've had good vision throughout my life. For everything I do, I basically lived in the saltwater, so, and sunshine. So probably not optimal for eye care and eye health. But over the last couple of years, I noticed, a little deprivation in vision, I guess is the word, in one eye worse than the other.
Yep.
And you obviously got to see it and understand, and sent me to a retina specialist to check my
Your maculas, yeah.
MD,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, your AMD.
Dr. Rudolph?
Yeah, Randolph. Dr.
Randolph,
yeah.
he said to me, the good news is that your MD is dry. He said your eyes, the back of your eyes are okay. It comes with age. And said, but the bad news is you need cataract surgery. He said my lenses were fogged over, basically.
And, outside of obviously, being in the restaurant industry, I know you love to be outdoors, right? Big surfer, longtime surfer since you were young, and other things. And then how did kind of the changes in your vision impact that part of your life?
Well, I mean, for me, it just became more evident that I had to do something. I mean, I'm constantly searching for glasses.
Yeah.
And I'm not the person that could wear the progressives because of I guess the peripheral vision was cloudy, and I wasn't confident like going downstairs.
Sure.
And there was a couple reasons why I just could not, I wasn't comfortable with progressive lenses. So this was a great option for me, because this, just to be honest with you, has given me life back.
Oh, that's
it's
awesome.
I don't have to chase readers around. I'm not always and you don't realize, you realize that your vision means everything to you.
Sure.
But, this is reading a menu in a restaurant. This is being able to pick up a magazine, not have to fumble around. This is the only just protection now. And but the procedure, the process of the lenses, I can't even tell you how great and what a difference it's made.
And I love to hear that.
Yeah.
And so you got the light adjustable lens, and that was a lens that I thought was going to give you the best vision, but also it was the safest lens option for you in light of you having the early stages of macular degeneration. And thankfully, Dr. Randolph is taking great care of you and making sure that it remains that way. But there are other lens options that can also give you freedom from glasses, but our approach always is what's best for the patient, what's the custom approach for the patient, and that kind of ended up really being the best choice for you. How is that whole process in terms of wearing the glasses, the adjustment periods, all of those types of things?
For me, I didn't realize how long the process was.
Yeah.
I mean, but I understood. This is to me, any surgery is major surgery.
Yeah.
But to change lenses in your eyes is, kudos to you. That's a process. But being able to do one eye and then the other eye, one eye distance,
Yeah.
and one eye close range,
Yeah.
and how the mind adjusts your eyes to put those two things together is amazing.
Yeah.
But I am just amazed that even the smallest print, I mean, stuff that I couldn't read with glasses,
Yeah.
I can read now. And that is amazing to me. But the process itself, I have to give kudos to your staff. And that starts here with the girls at the desk. I've been in hospitality my whole life. And to have a great staff is paramount.
We try to look at ourselves more than just a medical office or, an eye surgeon's office. And, we're out here, and it might be an exaggeration, but we are out here to change lives and to get patients their life back or get rid of their glasses or their contacts. And, for us is we want everything to be an amazing experience. We don't want patients to think back and be like, I love not wearing glasses, but the process was I want it to be like, oh, you know what? This was front to back. Everything was just an amazing experience where, every one of my staff is engaged and excited about helping change this patient's life.
And it's true, Beatrice being my first contact gave me my options. I got to make my own decision as to which way I wanted to go. I feel that at this point in my life, to be able to basically live my life without chasing around readers and being able to see color is amazing, and the distance and full range and no distortion is mind-boggling to me.
We always like to be honest with our patients. The two not so fun parts about the LAL are going to be probably wearing the glasses all the time to protect your eyes. And the other thing is, having to get dilated so many times during the treatment process. And, the treatment process for you or for anyone else, again, is all customized. It can be as short as a few weeks or it can be as long as maybe 6 to 8 weeks. But I think the most important thing for us is let's take our time and make sure the patient is really happy with exactly how they're seeing. And there's no rush to the process. So we take the time that it takes, right?
It was pretty seamless.
Yeah.
I have to be honest with
Yeah.
you. A little longer than what I expected, but for the result, I mean, that's what you persevere through.
Oh yeah,
right?
absolutely.
And I looked forward to coming every week so I could get to the next week to get to the final lockdowns.
Yeah.
And and then a week later, I'm just like, I mean, and listen, I took a trip around the United States with my old eyes. I want to do that same trip again with my new eyes.
That would be amazing.
And
what would you say to anyone who's scared about getting eye surgery, or just any advice for anyone who has cataracts?
Well, it's going to change your life to change it however you do it. I mean, fortunately I had my neighbors across the street. She had cataract surgery prior to me finding out I needed cataract surgery. Sure. So I watched her, kind of guiding me through the process. It's amazing technology. That's all I can tell you. And your staff made it so much easier.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I love it. and I appreciate your trust. And anyone who hasn't been to Nona Blue, which I wouldn't know why you wouldn't, definitely go check it out. But I appreciate everything that you've done for the community, and appreciate you being such a good friend and neighbor. And I'm so excited for your vision.
And I do appreciate you as well, man. You've
Oh,
been a
man.
great friend, and the support from the businesses, and just being around.
Absolutely.
Such an
Local
upbeat-
helping local. That's
Yeah,
what
it
it's
is
all
that.
about.
That is that. And Dr. Ahmed,
Yeah,
amazing. Your whole staff. That's that. Even at surgical center, took care of me. Called me the next day. How's everything going? Follow up every single trip here.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'd recommend it highly.
Well, I appreciate you.
My
Bill.
pleasure, man.
All right, my friend.
Okay, bud.
Take care.
Yes, sir.